Hey guys, I've been requested to show how to use a router plane. It's the one I made. I'll be writing a post about it later. But so I have a project here where I'm going to use it. I have basically a stand for a laundry basket, so we can have it in the bathroom and have it above the heater vent. I have the drawing right here. It's roughed in. It's all not all the way down the depth. It's very bumpy. It won't fit well. So take the router plane, and router planes don't take big bites, so you have to adjust it in little bits. So we're going to. That's why I've taken out most of the waste, but not all of it. So I loosen up the iron. I put my plane on the reference surface, and I get it halfway to what's left in the depth. And I tighten it up. And secure the piece down. And then we will just, basically I'm gonna start from one end, I'm just gonna shave it away. Can you see that? Okay. So we're just shaving about half the distance to the depth. Right to the corners. Great. We're just pushing it. And we're getting close to the edge. The other edge to prevent blowout. We'll just take this, switch this over. And I can do this backwards as well. So check the depth, and it can go down a little more, so we will loosen it up. Right to the point where it bites. There we go. So just right here. Just pick out. Oh, that's still too much. Come on, there we go. Just. One more. This will be the last one. Just do some cleanup here. And we'll just get that corner there taken care of. There we go. All right. Let's test it against the side. We're going to. And that looks. That looks about as clean as you're going to get. And that's how to use a router plane.